Hey everybody at Arborist site. Just give you a little background on my saw. It's a 460. Like you give a crap. Got medium-sized dogs on it. That filter, many of you guys from the East Coast have probably never seen this before. These are called green weenies. It's otherwise known as a velocity stack. A lot more air, as I don't know how good the sound quality is going to be in this video, but it sounds good. Obviously more air. What else do I got here? This is a 32-inch Oregon reduced weight bar. It's the smallest bar I have, and I don't know what kind of chain it is as far as all the numbers and specs. I can't tell you. It's a 3/8 63 gauge semi skip full chisel, and it's sharp. Don't look too close, might cut your eyes. What else? I actually bought this off at Madsen's the last time I was up visiting Dean from Washington Hot Saws, and there's a lot of work into it. The rings aren't even seated yet, so just kind of waiting to go back to work. Got factory dual port cover, and if you look to the right of that, see that deal sticking out? That's a Dean jobber there. That is my third port. I got all the baffles cut out of it. It is all set up to match the opened up exhaust, which is opened up quite a bit. Raised about a millimeter, not quite. This cylinder is also decked, and the piston has a pop-up on it. It's ported. It's got some finger ports and whatnot in it. I'm normally not a small saw guy, but I'm starting to like these 460s. I don't know. I think it sawed fairly well. I don't know what you fellas think, but like I said, you know, the rings aren't seated yet, but a little history on that dude. These last rounds I cut were probably, I'm guessing, I'd say almost 20 inches, close to. Kind of hard dug fir. They're not no hardwoods. Let me see if I can find you some hardwoods. Just bear with me. Let's see here. And just in case you haven't seen by my signature, my call name on Arborist site is Tree Slinger. That's what I do for a living. There we go. This is a black oak right underneath us here. Some of our best hardwood around here. Don't know how well you could tell about what's in the background, but I live in remote Northern California. Nowhere down south, nowhere near the Bay Area. We hate them all down there. I'm what you call a northwestern kind of logger type redneck. Just sometimes complete pain in the ass, but that's me. So anyway, I'll get back to this, and just in case you haven't noticed, this is my very first video. Just got this because we're going to Disneyland in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna saw some more stuff up, and I hope you guys like it. This is kind of fun for me. I've always kind of want to show you guys my end of the deal here. Obviously this is not my job. This is just kind of going bored because I wouldn't go back to work, so I headed up in the hills to see if I could find a tree. There's my work partner. That's Brody. Brody's busy. He works with me every day. He runs around. He likes to chase squirrels and stuff. Black lab, about 3 years old. Just kind of a knucklehead. He's good with the kids though. So, alright guys, hope I'm not boring you too much. Oh yeah. There she is. I hope I don't get banned from AS for the naked lady, but hey, it is what it is, huh? Alright fellas, I'll have some more sometime soon. I guess this is kind of a formal way of kind of meeting everyone through my cheesy video. So if later on this evening, if you're sitting in front of the computer and you're eating some crackers and you want some cheese, just watch my video. Take care everybody. Bye.